Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you're clicking on my video and seeing this beautiful face, I am Sasha. It's been a long while, aside from my eyebrow video that I did last. It's been a long while since I did like a full face of makeup, because as of lately I'm not too in makeup, but you know the time that we're living in now, and we're finding different things to do just to like what would you say now, to just pastime, I don't know what you'd call it, guys, but you know, we have our days where we just find different activities to just keep it running and moving. And I hope everyone is doing well so far. Stay safe, guys, wash your hands. I know you might be tired of hearing this, but it's for your own good. And most importantly, know that God is in control. God is in control, you know. So just put your trust and faith in him. I don't know if everybody on here is a believer or have some faith in a supreme being, and it would be good if you do, because you know that we wouldn't be here in terms of having a supreme being. And we just have to give thanks, you know, and just pray that things will get better, and just for like peace and strength during this time. So yeah, I'm hoping everyone is doing well. Thank you for joining me here. I don't want to make this introduction a long one, so yeah, as I said, it's been a long while since I've done a full face of makeup. I probably don't know what to do right here. I don't think I'll kind of forget, but yeah, let's get started. So guys, if you see me looking this way, looking in my mirror, of course, so hope this don't block. So now I'm gonna use my primer. I don't even know how long this is in my drawer, but yeah, this is the Baby Skin Maybelline, I don't know, like this primer. This is the only primer I have. I don't have a lot of makeup, to be honest. Yeah, this is like a poor girl budget. But this kind of make my face get oily, you know. But just for the sake of the video, still going to use it and see if, I don't know, I guess I'm expecting different results. So yeah, I'm gonna make that stay. Gonna do my eyebrows. If you don't like, if you haven't checked out my video of me doing my eyebrows about 3 times now, and I did one recently, you can go and check that out. So I probably fast forward me doing my eyebrows, you know how it go, you know the shorts. If you all don't know me, I was born without eyebrows, and just the speck you're seeing right there, that's the only eyebrow I have come to know in my 20 odd years unhurt. So if you're new on here, don't come for my eyebrows. That's how they have always been. They have not changed, and I don't think they are going to change. So I've learned to just deal with it. Oh my, that was quick. My mother video took a long while before I could get the shape. Too much? Oh well, I'll clean it up with my, this is dark cocoa. Where is the girl that's lighter than me? I don't know why I keep calling inanimate objects girl, but yeah, going in with fun. LA Girl concealer. Guys, tell me what you're doing when you're at home. Like, what are you doing to keep yourself occupied or active? going in with my brush. Guys, me a burn up sun hot. Jeez. I don't know, like me do it. We go too hard on the eyebrow pencil because I don't know, I don't have nothing there, so it's kind of like catfishing. Anyways, this is a transformation, okay? So let's just go with the flow. What next now is what I see people normally do, and I did this on my, was it my first video doing a full face of makeup? I think so. And I did some put some concealer under my eyes, because normally, you know, that never did I notice in my audience, see, like under my eyes used to be very dark than anywhere else. I don't know if it's the sun or what, but under my eyes used to be like very dark. It's a thing I guess running my father's side of the family. I see my grandma with it, so I assume it's a thing that just, you know. Anyways, I don't know what to do. Should I? Okay, I'm gonna put a bit, not a lot. I just normally like to put it there first. And should I use this? This is already wet. Use my beauty blender. I don't know why I'm looking at that, people are passing me now. Okay, take a beauty blender and just pat it in. Yeah, I feel like a beauty guru. On my last, well, the first video I ever do that full face of makeup, if you see how me did look like me have on a mask, because the whole lot of my face probably looks on camera right now like white, because I don't want to go all in with it, just a tad bit. And then I also like to go in with my foundation. I normally use the 360, I think that's the shade. It's lighter than this, just a tad bit lighter. And because the sun, I guess, very hot right now in Jamaica, I guess this is my shade. I'm not sure. As I said, it's been a while, so let's see. This is too much, man. So just gonna do this now. Kind of doing like a natural makeup, to be honest. I don't like a whole lot of makeup on my face, like the heaviness, like that's not me, you know. Can you see a difference? I don't know. Guess I want a little bit more. As you know, I'm not going anywhere, you know. But your girl haven't done this in a while, and she just wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Just wanna have. Oh my god. So, even know. Yeah, me now in real life, I talk to camera like this. I just go down my tad bit down my neck. Shoot, I forgot I was gonna put on not foundation, what's the word? Eyeshadow. I should have put the concealer over my eye first. Oh my god. What am I doing? Okay, guys, tell me what you think. Do I look darker than usual? Like, I feel like this foundation that fit me, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the 368. I don't know, is this my shade? Oh well, time to get on with the next item. Gonna go in with my Shader X Color Pop. All of these that I'm using is drugstore makeup, basically cheap makeup, because as I said, this is like a poor girl type of makeup tutorial, and if you can relate, this is definitely for you. So your girl was going for an interview and I was in a rush, So I dropped the palette. Look at it, guys. So much makeup being wasted. Like, I can't believe all of that eyeshadow just... Ugh. Anyways, next thing. Going to prime my eyes. If I miss out any makeup term, correct me. I'm not a pro at this, you know. But I can do a little something. Let me blink like a darkness. Oh man, when I use my ends up here. Alright, so I'm gonna pat. Not using the same side, okay? Gonna pat. Should have used my e.l.f. brush. I have 2 e.l.f. brushes. I don't even remember which is which, to be honest. This is okay, this is concealer. Good. So good to read. Every time we had a video, it'll see you. Eh?
What we having a show?
The show up? You mean by you know?
You're
You're in there, okay? Yes, you're in there. Yeah. Okay. So let's put in a bit more. And just like patting it in. Oh my god. Oh, I couldn't, you know, me couldn't take this up in the as job. Too much patting in makeup. Nam. Too much product. This will go there. So, oh my god, did I do it right? Okay, so going in with my setting powder, which is now at its finishing mark. Oh boy, the struggles. So I'm gonna let that set. Gonna let that set. Set. Alright, so I'm gonna know if you did that set for a good while now. I'm gonna go back with my brush and kind of gently remove the excess powder. Talking in YouTube makeup artist terms. You guys tell me how I'm doing so far in the comment section. Alright, like that with that. What is now? So eyeshadow see brush sash. Like, what's wrong with you? Come on. So I'm going in with maintenance. If you have this palette and you're following me, I don't know why you're following me, but if you're following me, going in with maintenance and just like patting it in. I always say this, I am not a big fan of eyeshadow whatsoever. Like, I see people doing fancy styles with eyeshadow, but your girl ain't an eyeshadow pro. I try cut crease how many times, and I don't. If I have a picture, I'll put it up on the screen. If not, just take my word for it. It wasn't the best, but I always like to say I'm not the worst. You know, like it could go somewhere. It's not that bad. So yeah, just patting this in. Why I feel that my neck just a strain. Just I should be comfortable doing this, okay? Do I go with something bright like yellow? I'm trying to transform here, but transform into what is the question? I think that's enough. Like, how much more blending can one girl do? Oh my. Alright. So I'm gonna go with the yellow. Gonna take a chance right here. Going with caution. That's the name of the color. I'm just gonna put it right there. Right there. Not bad. Are you guys seeing this? Like, come on. Kinda loving it, but it could be a bit more pigmented. So that's gonna like, you know that little soup? Yeah, like there's the yellow. You know, yellow not going anywhere. The yellow is here to stay. That's what we're going for. The yellow is here to stay. So I kind of want like a little smoky effect, you know, when I put the black at the end, it just look like smoke, something like one. So going in with same brush. I don't have a lot of brushes to work here with, don't judge me. So going in. Okay, we can fix this. We can fix this sash. Is that working? Is the black working? Like coal? You know coal? We as Jamaican or any Caribbean nation of people watching this know coal. I'm gonna fix this up. Guys, I don't know if I fix it up or I just make things worse. But I said already, I ain't a pro. So what you see is what you get. Alright, what's wrong with me today? I just feel like a different, you know. Alright, so now going in with my mascara. Don't like lashes, that's not me. So I always just use my mascara. When I went out to my cousin's wedding, it was, I think, no, I didn't have this palette as yet, but I didn't wear any lashes. Just did my makeup like this. See, my people always compliment my lashes because they're already like tall, so all you just need is some mascara to enhance it, to give it this lengthy volume. And I use, just in case you want to know what I use, is this Maybelline Big Colossal, the Colossal Big Shot, sorry. So yeah. Try not to poke yourself in the eye. Okay, I'm scared, like I don't want to do any more of that. That's that. Okay, what's next? Okay, you know the wing liners that people are doing now, the cat eyes like swoosh. That's what I want. So I'm going in with this what's it called? I don't know. So I'm gonna attempt to draw the wing. Okay, let me just steady my hand because I go too fast. Ready? Guys, don't judge me, okay? well? Don't know. And continue. It's hard to get it like that. I got nervous while doing this, and I feel a bit nervous. Okay, this one is not cute, but it can go on. This one crappy, but this one cute, and this one crappy. We done. Okay, I kind of fix up it a little bit. Don't know if you can see the difference. It's a bit longer, but guys, I'm not perfect, you know, and this video is not just about perfection, it's also about like imperfections, and you know, we're not always pretty good at every little thing. Where's my brush? Oh, going in now with my Milani pressed powder to just like set everything in. Yeah, in the color 4, which is ginger. Going for my brush, I forgot it was drying, because you know, gotta wash my brushes, keep the thing clean and sanitize. Okay, so I got my brush. This is most of these things except my elf brushes, which are recent, because the shade of color pop is the only difference in this video. Everything I've used before in my previous video. So yeah, and this brush, I think that's about it for new items. So I'm going in now with my Milani powder. How much I might say that I use my LA color brush. Just kind of like, you know, going in a bit with it, just to like get everything out. What's the word? Set. Not there. Guys, if you see me with 2 different earrings, you're not wrong. They're different earrings. Yeah, they're different earrings. That's all I can say. And now I'm going in with my highlighter. The last thing, you see, so much something with makeup. No, that's why I kind of get tired. Too much. So I'm gonna highlight using my Health contouring brush. This is a contour brush, but you know, it's good to do a little highlight. Going with this color, of course. Just kind of highlight these cheeks. Ooh, come through. I'll take some on my finger, put on my nose, kind of carry it up straight. I used to love doing that. And some here on my lip. They kind of look shiny, but the lip gloss. Come to me, back at it again. So going back in with my concealer brush to just kind of like, you know, because you already have some setting powder on it, so kind of set that in. Yeah, I don't know if this look on camera. I don't know, like guys, tell me what you think of my look. Last thing, set this in with some water. You hear it, right? Water. I don't have any setting, so water. Okay, so just gonna set all of that now. My water. too much water. Woo. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna see what I can do to my hair. As you know, this is my go-to style, so let's see what I can do and then get back to you with the montage where I come like I'm a supermodel. So keep on watching.
Bless up for the Empress. Empress. Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul. Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul. To the thing bless everything just working. You want to be me queen, me be your king.
Okay, so yes guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoy this bit for today. It's not really a makeup tutorial, but if you want to follow me, that's totally fine. This is just like a little entertainment for you guys to laugh after. This is, you know, like part of my personality. If you really get to know me, I can be goofy and a little bit of attitude at times, just me being fun, so don't take it personally. This is just me, a part of me. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this bit. Again, I hope everybody is doing well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have reached this far, it means so much to me. Yeah, road to 1K. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video with me. Yeah, until next time, bye. Bye guys, like I'm not gonna tell me say years I did one blend out like on the fence. Oh my.